ICAN results are out. Some people are smiling, some people are shocked, and some people don't even know what to feel. Before you make any decision, watch this video to the end. It could save you one full year. In the next few minutes, I will tell you exactly what to do if you passed, if you failed, and the biggest mistake students make immediately after ICAN results. Whether you passed or failed, the first thing to do is pause. Don't rush to Instagram. Don't rush to compare results. Don't rush to insult ICAN. Your next action matters more than the result itself. If you passed, congratulations, you worked for it. But this is where many students make their first big mistake. They relax too long. They say, I rest first, I resume later, and later turns into months. Know that ICAN does not get easier as you go higher. If you passed, do these three things immediately. Art, that is the mnemonic. A, assess the next level syllabus. C, choose your next diet early. T, touch your books within 2 weeks. Even if it is just one topic, stay connected. Now, if you failed, this part is for you. Failing ICAN does not mean you are not intelligent. It means something in your strategy don't work. Don't do these three things. 1, don't give up immediately. 2, don't blame only ICAN. 3, don't repeat the same strategy. This is where students lose multiple years. If you failed, you must first identify why. Then map. M, materials. Did you use the right ones? A, approach. Did you practice questions or just read? P, practice. Did you practice under exams condition? Until you finish the course, repeating the exams won't help. The biggest mistake students make after ICAN results is waiting too long to start again. Momentum is everything. Students who restart early perform better than those who wait till registration closes. No matter your results, here is what you should do. Reset. R, review your result honestly. E, evaluate weak subjects. S, select better study method. E, engage with learning again. T, time your next diet properly. ICAN is not a sprint. It is not about who passes fast. It is about who refuses to stop. Many qualified chartered accountants today once failed ICAN. Your ICAN result is not a verdict, it is feedback. What you do next determines your story. If you pass, type pass in the comments. If you fail, type still pushing. And if you want me to make video on how to prepare for the next ICAN diet, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.